Good morning at the camp. We are up and it's time to eat. We need to make breakfast. It's a little windy. Yeah. The good thing is that the gas lighter takes very easy to light the gas lighter. Now we are going to make some eggs here. And my eggs, I got some palm oil. I got some spices, some onions. Yeah, when you are camping, you have to improvise, you know. You have to learn the art of improvisation. Helps a lot. Think on your feet. Voila! Pour in our palm oil. Have to heat it until, while our oil is getting ready, we are going to break off the eggs. I hear if you don't break an egg, you cannot make an omelette. Change is very important. There's no change, you're going to have zero results. Ready? I'm going to beat up the eggs when the time comes. And now, I need to also get the spices ready. I need a fork or a spoon to beat the eggs. Can somebody give that to me? No spoon?
Nope. But like
Pan is not standing well. We're going to have to tilt it a little bit, but it gives us some uniformity here. Yep, almost there. We have to bleach the oil until it's a little, it's very bleached. It's going to take a while for that to happen. Meanwhile, we need to add some spices in our egg. Hot Louisiana chicken spice. Because we want it to be hot. Heat it up. Get them spices inside. Some black pepper, some salt. Using Himalayan pink salt here. I'm going to put just a pinch of salt in it as well. When I cook, I go by estimate. I don't do measurements of recipes. Since it's going to be combo eggs, as we're cooking, we'll test it. If you don't have enough salt, you can always put more. Some black pepper. How is that? A little pinch of black pepper. Gonna make it pepperish. There you go. Don't make it too black pepperish. And some say that they can put a Maggi cube in there, which We are almost ready to go. It's actually bleached here, and we want the whole thing to be bleached. So you see, we're almost there to put in our eggs. See, our oil is ready. We are going to put in our tomatoes, onions, you know. Yeah, it's gonna be a little. Yeah, I know those green vegetables are not supposed to come in right just yet, but you know, we're cooking in the cooking in the pan. This is going to cook a little. Done cooking, we are going to put in the eggs. And breakfast is ready. What are we going to eat this week? Bread and OJ. Okay, sounds like a plan to me. Yeah, we just have to let this simmer a little. Then we'll put in the eggs and cook it. I'm ready to roll. Yeah, I think the fire is not as hot as I would have loved, but you make do with what you have. Now we're going to put in our eggs and hope for the best. Right. It's scrambled eggs, so we're going to crumble it. It's going to take a while because the fire is not as hot as it's supposed to be. These are soupy. It's going to become crumbled eggs, scrambled eggs first. We are getting there.